This is the aftermath of our darling little blizzard. Galley hasn't even been touched. Paul just made his first pass, by the way, earlier, just a little bit ago. As you can tell, pretty much how deep this is. Back is even worse. Back is about at least, as you can probably tell how deep. This is pretty much the pathway to get to the station from here. At least that alley is kind of cleared out. Well, for the most part, this street has been pretty much shoveled out. For a little bit down the block. But yeah, not just